Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your recently created screenshots or video clips on your PS5. So you could be in the game and you can rewatch it at any point in time. Just press the button that's above the left thumbstick. This will be the sharing and broadcasting button. And this will open up this little menu. And I just press it once, I might take a screenshot. I double tap it, I can take a video. But if I open this up, you can see I have an option to go all the way to the left. And there's a little video icon right here I can tap. And then I can open this up. And I took a screenshot recently, I just did. But if I press R1, I can view my video recordings under here as well. So it looks like I'm playing Ready or Not with my friends. And it makes it very easy to watch it when you're playing a game. Otherwise, you can go over to the media gallery right here, which you won't be able to do this when you're in the game and see the background. But if you go back to the home screen here, you can see all your video clips under the media gallery. You can also access this if you go to the game library and then go on down to where it says media gallery under here and then open this up and you can see all your games, video clips that you have recorded. So I got a bunch under here. I think I have like 15 gigabytes. It keeps going and going and going and going. So everything I ever recorded on my PS5 Pro in the last like 5 months. So me playing Call of Duty back when we had this older map. So yeah, just hold down or press the sharing and broadcasting button right by the D-pad above the left thumbstick. Go over to the video recording option right here, where you can see your video clip. Press R1 and you can cycle through your video clips. And then you can edit them, share them, favorite them, or delete them. Usually I delete them from here, and then they don't upload. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.